In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Excalidraw. If you've created a sketch, flowchart, or whiteboard in Excalidraw and want a clean, reliable print, the most consistent way is to export your drawing as an image first and then turn that image into a PDF before sending it to your printer. This keeps your layout intact and avoids surprises with margins, scaling, or missing backgrounds. Start by opening your browser and heading to excalidraw.com. Create your diagram or open the one you've already made. When you're ready to print, you won't print straight from the canvas. Instead, export your work. Look for the export option, then choose PNG or SVG. PNG is a high-quality image format that's great for most printers. SVG is a vector format that stays sharp at any size, which is perfect for very detailed diagrams or large prints. Before exporting, check the export settings. If your drawing uses a transparent background, consider enabling a white background so your print doesn't come out with unexpected transparency. Adjust the scale or resolution so the image is crisp. Higher scale values produce sharper results, which is handy for fine text or dense diagrams. You can also include the scene background and a margin around the edges to make sure nothing gets cut off. Export the file and save it somewhere easy to find. Next, convert that image to a PDF. A PDF acts as a reliable container that most printers and print shops handle consistently. If you exported PNG, open it in your system's default image viewer or a browser and use the Print or Export to PDF option to create a PDF. If you exported SVG, convert it to PDF using a viewer or tool that preserves vectors, so lines and text remain crisp when printed. Once your PDF is ready, open it. Inside the PDF, click on Print. In the Print dialog, choose the correct paper size and orientation, portrait or landscape, to match your diagram. If you want the drawing to fill the page, use Fit to Page. If you need exact measurements, use actual size and make sure your canvas size and Excalidraw match the paper dimensions. Check the margin preview so nothing is clipped. For color diagrams, select the appropriate color setting. For black and white prints, grayscale can save ink and improve contrast. Finally, send it to your printer. If the first print isn't perfect, tweak scale, margins, or orientation, regenerate the PDF if needed, and try again. That's all there is to it. Export, convert to PDF, and print with confidence.